Hello, in this video I want to show you how to manage Google passwords on Motorola Razr 40. And to do this we'll need to open our Google Chrome. Inside, let's click on these three dots in the top right corner of the screen and move to the settings. Now enter password manager, and right here make sure that save passwords is on. Now we can go back and open any website that you want to save credentials for. In this case, I'm gonna go with a Facebook. You should see this save password pop up when you try to log in. Click on that save and then click on the three dots in the top right corner of the screen. Move to the settings and back to password manager. Now on the bottom you can find the website that you've tried to log in. You can click on that to edit the username as well as the password. You can add or change any letters or numbers. You can also preview the password if you forgot it, but for that you will need to set up the lock screen on your device. And last option is to delete the password from the list, and you can do that by clicking on the bin icon, delete the password, and now it's removed. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.